Hi guys, my name is Pranjal Singh. I'm studying in Niti Meenakshi Institute of Technology. I've taken CSE branch and I'm from first year. I really enjoyed the process of making this robot. It was my first robot that I built. I loved its ability to dodge the obstacles. We did it using ultrasonic sensors. I really loved it. And I'll also, in this process of making this robot, I also learned about 3D designing. It was also amazing. I liked it. I designed various objects, real world objects, and I learned to configure this to calibrate it. We calibrated it. It was a very nice experience. I loved it.